exposing the secrets to fixing app crashes on your OnePlus 13. Let's dive in. First, make sure your phone and apps are up to date. Go to Settings, System Updates, and also update the app from the Google Play Store. Next, clear the app's cache and data. Head to Settings, Apps and Notifications. See All Apps. Select the app, tap Storage, then Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, try Clear Data. But remember, this will log you out and might delete settings. Check your battery optimization settings. Go to Settings, Battery Optimization. Find the app and set it to Don't Optimize. Still crashing? Restart your phone. It's simple, but can fix temporary glitches. If the issue persists, reinstall the app. Uninstall it, then download it again from the Play Store. And if multiple apps are crashing, check for recent system updates or new app conflicts. That's it. Follow these steps and enjoy a seamless experience on your OnePlus 13.